Check out this new 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Avalanche boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seats, front bucket, mirrors, outside heated power adjustable, power folding and driver's side auto dimming, mirror, inside rear view, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, integrated trailer brake, trailering package, heavy duty, cooling, external transmission oil cooler, engine, Vortec 5.3 LSV flex fuel, transmission, 6-speed automatic, transfer case, active, 2-speed electronic auto track, regional value package, tires, P275/55 all season, Blackwall, wheels, 420 inches x 8.5, 50.8 centimeters x 21.6 centimeters. Polished aluminum, audio system, AM/FM stereo with CD player and the rear view camera system. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.